What is up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. We're out here with a little dove hunting action. Got all Owen over there. Got another group of fellas on down there in the bottom. But we're out here in this cut cornfield, out here for these doves. We got a group of cows over here. I done picked the GoPro up a little late. We were getting set up. I already done got my two. But let's hope the action gets good. We'll catch y'all when the birds start flying. Never mind, that ain't no doves. Missed him. You can see him or not, I don't really know if you can. But there he is right there. Here comes, actually it's a bunch of them. Owen, Owen, Owen. They're gonna be a little bit too far out of a range. Birds flying everywhere this morning. We gotta get our shots right. Too low. Get that dove up. They're shooting down there. Dove's still on chilling right there. Maybe we can get him to come up a little bit. Nope, missed him. I don't know if they're gonna come or not. Nope, they turned on us. All three of them did. Darn. Chad, behind you! Oh, they got him. Got that bird right there. Dead bird. Here comes two right here. Maybe. No, they're going the other way. Oh well. We got a nice group coming in there. Maybe. No, they're going straight. They're gonna turn or no? They might. No, they're just gonna ride the wood line all the way out that way. Oh well. Dove coming in to the right. He's gonna stay on the wood line there. Yep, he's staying on the wood line. Can't shoot worth a lick. And I missed both of them. I went to your right. Birds flying everywhere this morning. Just can't get no shot on them. Here comes a dove. Never mind. They done folded him. Got back up. That bird done flew into the heaven. Chad! Way too low for my likings. There you go, right to him. Just got rained on. I missed both of those. Great shooting, fellas. Over your head! Oh, they missed. Group of three coming in right now. how I missed them things. Dang, I suck. Huh? We're out here hunting. There's a darn deer. There's a deer down there in the bottom. Oh, you're going away. Oh, a little baby doe down there. Deer. There's one. Kept on going. Ran the wood line. Had my GoPro turned off, but just got two of them right there in one shot. Of course, had the GoPro off though. Throw them in the old bucket right there. My gun went click. Owen, coming behind you. He's circling around. Hey, he's coming around. Oh, in front, straight in front, straight in front. That's what happened. A misfire. Somebody's already primed the primer. That's why it didn't go off. Just kind of cruising out yonder. If it decides to come on this way, we'll take a shot at it. If not, we'll just keep on going. Looks like he's just gonna keep on trucking. Darn. Missed him. Missed him. Owen, big group behind us, big group behind us. You folded him. Huh? You folded him. What happened right there? You folded him, son. Where you come from?
Where I come from?
Yeah, where you come from?
South Boston. No.
That's what we were talking about right there, ain't that right? Dead dove, dead dove. I just shot one right here. Had to hop the darn fence back here. Get on back and get this bird I shot. Over here in the cow patch. See, I was all the way over there. Right off that point right there. Darn dove came up behind me. Had to teach him who was boss. That's what I like to talk about right there now. Far shot. Well, okay, that's why I don't play basketball. But we're gonna have to get back under this fence real quick. Having a good day so far. Still got about an hour or 2 hours left. Pick y'all back up if we see any more. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and pack it up. We might head to another spot in a little bit, so I'll pick y'all up then. But for right now, we're gonna pack it on up. I'll see y'all in the next one if we don't. Thanks for watching. Alright, viewer discretion advised, but we got us a few doves right here from today. Get everything out. And see, we got us 1, 2, 4. Wait, no, that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 doves. Yeah, 7 doves. All right, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cool day out there today. It could have been a little bit better, but go ahead and get these things cleaned up, and that's about it. Thanks y'all for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe if you join. See y'all.